Hello guys, wait, let me plug in my headphones so y'all can hear me better. One sec. One second sec. That should do the trick. Yeah, y'all should be able to hear me better now. Alright. Got main menu, reset progress. Options. Okay. And then we got our campaign. Let's see how this goes. So yeah, I'm pulling an all-nighter. It's like my all-nighter of the summer. And I just got Teardown Folkways. So why not record a video? Like, why not? So I am loading in. I'm gonna get going. Am I working on convenience store? But I do not need the board thing. Maybe I should just disable it on. Slash issue? Huh? Wait, what? Thanks. How do I? Oh, there it is. From Badron. I'm bored. When are you coming to the garage today? Yo, Golden. Woo. Woo is throwing money at Folkways again. I don't care. Even that rusty old thing you drive around, I bet you'd earn more money in Folkways than at that gas station gig. What do you say? We can get you signed up for my place, at my place. I have no clue what that does. Let's see if there's any more stuff I can, steal. Because it says Teardown after all. Nope, nothing else died. Turn off the light outside. Light outside. Aha! Where's the gas station? And this was the old thing? Whee! Oh my god. Maybe I'm not cut out for this racing. They turned it down. Maybe I'm not cut out for this racing because I don't think although I am a net driver. Which way do I go? Oh, over there. Hi. Got it. Yada yada yada. Are the doors gonna open or something? Yo, I left it unlocked. I'll be back in a bit. Just heading out to grab some milk. Hope you don't have kids. Go on and sign up. My computer on. Sign up my computer on my computer. You got this. Move my car a little bit. Alright. And why not I bring my car in too? Why not? Feels like the right thing to do. Put this on the little thing that lifts it up. But I do not need a radio. Who knows if that's copyright. Tools. Lovely. Aha. You all. Upway. Career. Earn stars by a podium finish. In each race, stars generate income and unlock additional championship cars and engines. Folkways for newbies. Odds of monthly spot, but I cannot read this. Yeah, why not? It's gonna be like, is this gonna be like Mario Kart but destructible? Like, what do I expect? Cause I have a Switch, I have played Mario Kart, so like, I don't know, what is it gonna be like? Apparently this gives like more new call destruction type stuff. Bro, I do not care, bro. Go away. CNE. Look. Why won't I record videos of that? In this menu, you choose the color of the appropriate class and teal to participate in noise. Yeah, I think this is all I even have, so of course I'm gonna choose it. Oh yeah, the bottom. Oh yeah, vehicle structure. I need to turn that off in the next race. I'll turn that off in the next race. I promise I will in the next race. Oh my god! Doesn't matter anyway, I'm gonna need to get used to this. So this is the first race. Ow. Wait, no, maybe I will upload this. Mom, I'm gonna go the way I want to. Stop by invisible burial. I think that was a shortcut. Alright, go. Hey, what do you mean wrong way? No, I'm so stupid. What am I doing? I have no clue where I'm going. Mom, whoever made this track is getting destroyed by me. HIJKLM